Hi, my name is Jhon Arief and welcome to my shop. Okay, today project it still continue with the dust collector project, which is I will build a blast gate. So, is there a special with this blast gate? No, it's the same with all blast gate you see on YouTube. But there is a but. My blast gate it's more simple to build and it also dust free. It's not self-cleaning but it's dust free. So how it can be dust free? Just check out the video. Okay, first I'm going to cut all the material that I need for this blast gate project according to the plans. And this time I'm using MDF for the material. It's actually 12 millimeter MDF. And why I'm using MDF? Because MDF it has smooth surface and consistent flat. That's why I'm using MDF for this blast gate project. Okay, but you guys can use plywood also, but I recommend you using good quality plywood such as birch plywood, and use 12 millimeter or 9 millimeter. It's going to be great. And this small strip is going to be a spacer and a stopper. This spacer and the stopper is going to be the same size but different length. Okay, this is for the housing. This is 14 piece. So the size you can check on the plan that I already show you. And this is for the gate. This is only 7 piece. And next is this. This is for the spacer. This is also 14 piece. And this is for the stopper. Also 14 piece. Okay, now we're going to assembly them together. Okay, all that number that I give you is because I want to build only 7 blast gates. Okay, before I assembly this spacer and the gate, I will add this paper shim. This is paper shim that I folded in half and I just add it like so. And after that I just glue it together and add pin nail. And one more, when you glue this spacer you need the glue to only half of the space like so. You don't glue them full because it's going to squeeze out and get stuck between your blast gate and the spacer, and that is not cool. Okay, make sure it's a tight fit before you add the pin nail. Okay, next step I'm going to add magnet to this stopper. So before I add the magnet, I have to drill with a consistent size. So I make this jig. This jig is going to help me to get a repeatable hole for the same distance. Okay, next I'm going to find the center point for this basket housing. This is for the 3-inch pipe, and I'm going to use a hole saw to drill this hole. Okay, this is 89 millimeter hole saw from Boss, and this is going to be a tight fit with a 3-inch pipe. So I will drill the hole like so. Remember, I drilled this hole is on the magnet side. So when this basket is open, there is a magnet to lock the position. Okay, next I will make a chamfer, sharp chamfer on this only one pipe, only one chamfer each each basket. So this is going to be a sharp edge. So I make this sharp because I don't want the dust is going to stuck inside the basket. So I make this chamfer. Okay, like you can see, this one pipe is I'm not chamfering, so only this pipe, this only one side that I chamfer. This is going to be from the tool to the dust collector. So okay, when the blast gate is open, the dust is going to go on one direction only. So this is from the tool go to the dust collector. So this I'm going to close it first, and I'm going to add this. And this pipe is from the tool, and this pipe that is had the chamfer, sharp chamfer, it's going to the dust collector. So you can see the 89mm hole is tight fit with this 3-inch pipe. Okay, the next step we're going to add the glue on this pipe. So add glue. I'm using epoxy glue. First step is we're going to make this inside of this hole is wet. Just give a thin layer epoxy glue inside this hole. Just thin layer, not too much. Its thin layer is almost nothing. Just make it wet. It's only that. And next is you going to add a lot of glue on that pipe because you need the squeeze out from that joint. Okay, to join the pipe to this blast gate, you need to close the gate, and after that just adding the pipe like so. Make sure the pipe touch the blast gate, the gate, and do on the other side too, just the same like so. After the pipe is snap fit, just open the gate in that time because we need to see the glue is squeezed out to the gate or not. If there is a squeeze out, you need to clean up as fast as possible before it's dry. Okay, finally my blast gate is already done. So two of them I attach on this tubing, already attached, this one and two. And maybe you guys thinking why I say my blast gate is dust free. It's just because of the position that I put my blast gate. So a lot of people it's put the blast gate it's on this 90-degree angle, and they put on this position. So it's going to be okay, wait, I will give you example. Okay, this is the blast gate. So a lot of people put the blast gate is on this direction or this direction. This is the main pipe, so this is the branch. So a lot of people put the blast gate like so or like so. So the dust is going to be dropped. If okay, let me give you an example. Okay, when I suck the dust from that end, the dust is going to travel through the pipe, and the heavier dust is going to drop a little bit on this branch, also this branch. So it's not much, it's a small amount, but if you're doing that oftenly from that end, it's going to build up a lot of dust inside of this pipe. Okay, I put my blast gate it's facing up 45 degree like this, rather than I put in here, because when I put my blast gate in here, it's going to build up a lot of dust inside of this. So like you can see, I suck the dust from this end. It's already built up on this end. So yes, I suck a lot of dust, pile of dust. So this much. If this dust is stuck on your, if your blast gate is on this position, so you can imagine how this blast gate is going to stuck, because this dust is on top of your blast gate. So that's why my blast gate is facing up 45 degree. Okay, I think that's it for today project, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and please give a thumbs if you like it, or thumbs down if you don't like it, and see you on my next project. Cheers.